Hello, Major. How are you?
Matt, Joe, where you been? Joe. Get your gear packed, honey. Take off at 0800. Come on, Matt.
Hi, fellas. Here you all got nice new medals.
All right, Joe, grab a seat.
Charles Oxel, Joe Holloway.
Oh, hello. Understand you had quite a ride today.
Bumpy. Did he make it by 6:40?
Only just. Hey, what's the celebration?
Pawtucket, Rhode Island. Say, who'll drink with me to Pawtucket?
Pawtucket. Hey, Midge, more of this stuff. Farewell performance. From here in is chocolate malts, fresh eggs, and orange juice. California, here I come.
My wife isn't going to wait for me to get to Chicago. She'll be right there in Washington when the plane gets in.
Hey, what's biting you, Matt? Come on, fill up.
He's not drinking tonight. Got to be in shape tomorrow, haven't you, Matt? It's a long flight across the Atlantic.
I didn't have the guts to tell you.
It's all right, Matt. I'm glad you didn't. So, we'll just make it another night at the Red Lion. Drink it up, Major. Sailors, something or other. Come on, Hank, do something. Get some life into the party. Go on.
They say there's a bomber just leaving Calais, bound for old Blighty shore, heavily laden with time-expired men, bound for the land they adore.
There's many an airman just finishing his time. There's many a twerp signing on.
Come on, man, come on.
Motion this side of the ocean, so cheer up, my lads, bless them all. Bless them all, bless them all. The long and the short and the tall. Bless the instructors who taught us to dive. They say that we're lucky because we're still alive. More if ever the engine should stall. We're in for a heck of a fall. No roses or violets for black-footed pilots. So cheer up, my lads, bless them all. Bless them all, bless them all. The long and the short and the tall. Bless all the blondies and all the brunettes. Each lad is happy to take what he gets, cause we're giving the eye to them all. The ones that attract or appall. Or Maggie or Susie, you can't be too choosy. When you're in camp, bless them all. Bless them all, bless them all. The long and the short and the tall.
Hello, Wide Wing. This is Major Brennan. I want to talk to General Layton. Yes, of course it's important. Well, then put somebody on who has the authority. Give me the duty officer. Hello, this is Matt Brennan, 28th Bomb Group. I want to get through to General Layton. Well, then bust into his conference. I got to talk to him. Oh, I want permission to get married, that's what. Okay, then I'll go to his quarters and get him out of that conference myself. My name's Brennan. I want to see General Layton.
Sorry, Major. The General's with the Prime Minister. I believe they're out of London.
Oh. All right.
Matt, we've got 6 hours.